Good morning, my friends at Hostinger have challenged me to build a fully functioning e-commerce website in just 10 minutes. So in today's video, you are going to learn all about how to set up hosting with WordPress, the amazing things you can do in WordPress block themes with WooCommerce. Some of these things I guarantee you won't know. How to set up a staging website, what is a staging website and why you should be using a staged website, how to configure WooCommerce so you can actually take payments, and how to supercharge your content using AI. Let's get into it. I've just got 10 minutes. Let's start the clock. Right, step one, I'm going to log into my Hostinger account and install WordPress. Note the incredible Black Friday sale they're running. So installing WordPress through Hostinger is incredibly simple. I'm just going to select my hosting plan here. I'm also going to register a new domain name as part of this entire process. Just click on Start Now. And here we go. I'm going to click on Create a New Website. And at this point, I'm just going to choose WordPress. And here I'm going to add my login details for my WordPress website. Hostinger makes it easy to add any plugins you need to your site. At this point, I just need WooCommerce, so I select that and then click Continue. I'm offered some templates, but I'm going to use the 2024 default theme, so just click Skip. And now I can claim my free domain name. I'm building a tennis e-commerce web store, so I'm going for the domain name jamietennis.net. So you can see now that domain name is now registered for me. At this point, you get to choose your data center. I'm going to choose UK. One of the things I really like about Hostinger is that they automatically install SSL for you. And there we go, within a few clicks, my base installation of WordPress is up and running and ready. Because I pre-selected WooCommerce, it's going to kick me straight into the WooCommerce wizard, so I've got a couple of questions to answer here. So everything is installed, let's design the site. So there's two things I'm going to do to start with. First, change the design. This is the default design of the 2024 theme, which is great, but I've actually created another theme based off this, which I'm going to use for my e-commerce store. Here we go, this is the one I've created, so I'm just going to add that to my site and click Install Now. There's my brand new theme. Looks far more e-commercey and in the style that I want. By the way, if you want to get hold of the theme, I put a link in the description where you can download it for free. And the second thing I'm going to do is install the free Instant Images plugin. It's a great plugin if you're looking for royalty-free photography to use on your sites. So I'm up against time, so I'm in Instant Images and I've searched for tennis. Here's the results. And these are royalty-free, so I'm just going to choose, oh, that's a cool one. Just going to choose some of the best images here that I'm going to use to build out my WooCommerce store. Hostinger also comes with a free AI content generator, so I'm going to create a quick post. This is great if you want to create a first draft of your content that you can quickly edit and publish. To add a product to your store is super easy. Just come to products and go add new. Fill in all the information here. Let's go and have a look at that product now. Click on view product at the top, and here is the default template layout, but I'm going to show you how to change this in a minute. But before that, a huge thank you to today's sponsor, who are Hostinger, who are running an amazing Black Friday sale where you get 85% off, an amazing further 10% off if you go to hostinger.com/Jamie Marsland, use coupon code Jamie Marsland. And for that, you'll get blazing fast servers, free AI tools, free migration, free SSL, and you'll also get a staging server, which is essentially a way that you can copy your live website to a development server, make changes on your staging server, and then copy your staging server back to your live website. It means you can make changes without affecting your live website. Was that a terrible explanation of a staging server? Anyway, back to the video. One of the best kept secrets with WooCommerce and block themes is that you can now fully edit the single product page. If you want to be super snazzy, click on the command palette and just type single product here, and that will get you straight into the template. And now this is just made out of blocks and it's fully editable. So for example, I could switch these columns around. I could increase the size of the product title. That's a bit big. Or I could get rid of the columns completely and create a beautifully simple product page. You can also edit the shop page if you're using a block theme. Just go to your shop page and click on Edit Site. That'll take you to the template for your shop page. And you'll see on this one, all I've done is I've added a great big cover image along the top of my page. Other templates that you can now edit if you're using a block theme include your cart page, your checkout page. You can also create specific templates for your product categories as well. And you can also now create specific templates for particular categories. You just click on the plus sign up here and then this will open. You come down here to category, click on that, and here you can actually choose a different template for each of your specific categories if you want to. Oh, and of course, don't forget, because we're using blocks, we can add any WooCommerce blocks into any page or any post. For example, I can add some products into my homepage just by adding some blocks. So I want to select which products I show on my homepage. So I'm going to choose this block here, the hand-picked products block, add that into the page. And I'm going to select my 3 products and click done. And then I'm just going to make them wide width. And there we go. We've got 3 nice products now on my homepage. Or if you want to advertise one of your products right within your blog posts, you can add the featured product block that comes with WooCommerce. Or you could remove the header on the checkout pages to create a distraction-free process. You can even edit the WooCommerce search results page. I want to quickly show you one of my favorite options that comes with WooCommerce, and that's the mini cart block, which is this block up here. And you'll see this is the option I really want to show you, this behavior down here. Open drawer when adding. And if you have that option toggled on, then when somebody's on your shop page and they click on add to basket, the drawer will automatically slide into the page with a quick link for them to go and check out. So I just need to quickly change the text and the images on my front page. This is all fully editable. I can just click on them and click replace. So here's my new front page. I think it looks pretty snazzy. I'm very, very happy with that. And let's see how it works. So I'm going to click on shop, choose a product, choose my size, add to basket. Let's go and view the basket, proceed to checkout. But we have one major issue. And the big issue that I've got at the moment is this one here that's saying there's no payment methods available. This means I can't actually take any money from my customers on my store, which is obviously a major problem. Now, that is another name for a payment gateway. A payment gateway is a provider that actually takes money on your behalf. And you have lots of options when you're using WooCommerce. Here are 3 very well-known ones: Stripe, Woo Payments, and PayPal. And essentially what's happening when somebody places an order on your website, that communicates to these payment gateways. You'll be using one of these, and they will process the order for you and take the money, and all the credit card information will reside on their servers. So you're not holding any credit card information whatsoever on your website, which is great for security. And then once that's completed, they send back the order confirmation to your website, and the whole process is fully automated. So as soon as somebody places an order on your website, the payment gateway kicks into action, processes the order, sends the confirmation back to your website, and the website automatically invoices out your customer. For speed today, I'm using Woo Payments. They actually partner with Stripe anyway in the back end. Just go to payments and follow a few steps and you'll be up and running in no time. So let's take a look at the finished site. Okay, it's not completely finished, but it's pretty good and it looks beautiful. There's a few tweaks and things I'd want to do. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, if you can hit that like button now, it would be amazing because it makes a huge difference on how many people actually get to see this video. It really, really, really does. So thank you if you can hit that like button. And also every time you do hit that like button, our cats get a little treat. If you want to avoid making the biggest WordPress beginner's mistake, watch this video. Otherwise, keep well, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now.